guys, and welcome to another week of Arty Wednesday. Today we're gonna do some abstract painting, and I'm gonna use some acrylic paints. I'm using black and white paintbrush. We're gonna paint this on a canvas board that you can use as a coaster, or just keep it on your dressing table. You can do anything. It's a really small painting. I'm using a pencil and scale to draw measurements on the board. So let's get started. So first, you take your board. I'm going to open the board. So this board is a size 10 by 10 and a 4 by 4. So here we have our board. So we're going to start off by measuring the board. So since it's a 10 by 10, we're going to take 10 inches, 10 centimeters. So you're going to mark it at each centimeter. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Ensure you're doing them exact so the design looks like the show of the design comes. Yeah, and this is going to be a 4 on top. So let's draw. So what you're going to do is you're going to take at 2 centimeters. Yeah, so at every 2. So this is 1, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Yeah, so now you're just going to draw these lines. Again you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, this is 10. And then again you're gonna do the whole 2 centimeter thing. So 2, 4, 6 and 8. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna join these dots and make them into lines. So these dots will become standing lines like this. So let's draw the sleeping lines first. So now once we've drawn the lines, we're gonna draw like these triangles. So you're gonna join this mark with the end. So it's gonna be something like this. Yeah, and just like that, you're gonna keep drawing triangles. So you're gonna join this end to this. And the same way you continue, you join this end to this end, and you keep making triangles like this. You're going to continue doing the same thing on all the squares. So once we've drawn the lines, we're going to alternate them. So this is going to be black, this is going to be white, black, white, black, and this is going to be white. So now I'm going to take the paint here. Just so this is how we're going to be painting these lines like this. So just gonna keep painting these lines, and then once we're done painting all the black portions, then we'll paint all the white portions. In fact, you can use any color of your choice if you want to do different color combinations, like pink and purple is also nice. You can do red and black as well. Any colors that you like. So this is all the black. I'm using a thinner brush on the white so that we don't overpower the black. So we're almost done with our white, and at any point if you think the black also needs a touch up, we'll do a little touch up on our blacks as well. And I found some spots with white in them. So all the spots, the black spots that you think need, like, just do this. Also give it time to dry. Yeah? The painting needs a lot of time to dry. Just like that, we are done with our abstract painting. It only needs to dry, so leave it to dry. So once this dries, then I will touch up on like this area, like you see, and we'll try and fix that. But otherwise, you see, this is so pretty. You can just you can use it as a coaster. In fact, you can do more stuff, like if you're artistic, maybe draw some flowers or do different colors and let your imaginations run wild. Hopefully you like this video. Please make them and send pictures to us so we can see how they look. And have a good week ahead. Bye.
Thank you so much for joining us today. If you liked our video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.